Climate change is one of the greatest challenges of our time. Pakistan has been ranked as the eighth most vulnerable country affected by climate change. The recent floods in Pakistan had placed devastating effects on the lives of people. When we talk about climate crisis, we have to keep in mind that it is not gender neutral. Women and girls experience the greatest impacts of climate change, which amplifies existing gender inequalities and poses threats to their lives, health, and safety. When disasters strike, women are less likely to survive and more likely to be injured due to long-standing gender inequalities that have created mobility, decision-making, and access to resources. Approximately 650,000 women have been affected by floods that hit Pakistan in 2022. Here is a story of Zainab, who is one of them. She says that floods have washed away all our belongings. I'm pregnant, I need to rest, need to eat healthy food. But where do I find out? There is hardly any help. I'm afraid I might get tired and lose my baby before giving birth. The affected women in Pakistan need immediate assistance as 42,000 of them would be giving birth in the next 3 months. Women and girls' health is endangered by climate change and disasters by limiting access to services and health care, as well as increasing risk related to maternal and child health.